Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about delete ChatGPT account. If you are thinking about to delete the ChatGPT account, so how will you do? Because there is no any button or option to delete the account. So don't be confused, watch the complete video and follow these simple steps to delete your ChatGPT account. Just look at the left side of the screen, and here you will see the slide bar. Go down the slide bar, and here you will see three dotted button. Click on it, and here you will see the settings option. Hit the settings. You have to click on data control, and here you will see delete account. So click on delete and refresh login. In just few seconds your account will be deleted, and you can see guys, your account has been deleted. So this is how to delete OpenAI ChatGPT account. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.